From N5 to JLPT N4, this is lesson number 17. So today let's talk about this grammar pattern, aida, which means while or during. Using this grammar pattern, you can say things like, I was listening to music while I was on the train. Or, I took a lot of photos while I was in Japan, and so on. Aida means while or during, but it has an important meaning beyond that. So this is the meaning. Aida means you to be the entire time while A is happening. It is not just one moment, it lasts for the whole period. So this is very important. I will show you one example. 雨が降っている間、家にいました。I stayed at home the whole time while it was raining. So this means that while A was happening, I was doing this B the entire time. That's the meaning of aida. It's not just while or during. It means that while A is happening, B also happens the entire time. So grammar pattern is this. You can use a plain form verb, E adjectives, na adjectives, and nouns. But when you use a na adjective, you need to have this na before aida. When you use a noun, you need to have this no before aida. So be careful with those two. Now I will show you one more example. 夏休みの間、日本にいました。I was in Japan during the entire summer vacation. So while A was happening, I was doing B the entire time. 夏休み is a noun, therefore you need to have this no before aida. Now I'd like you to do this exercise. Stop the video and translate the sentences. When you are ready, please come back. Now the answers. Please don't use your phone during the class. 授業の間、携帯を使わないでください。授業 means class, and it's a noun, therefore you need to have this no before aida. This is the kanji of aida. So during the class, you cannot use your phone the entire time. Next one. I was listening to music while I was on the train. 電車に乗っている間、音楽を聴いていました。乗っている is the plain form verb. You cannot say 乗っています間. That doesn't work. It has to be in the plain form. So while A was happening, I was doing B the entire time. The child was watching TV while the mother was cooking. お母さんが料理している間、子供はテレビを見ていました。料理している is in the plain form verb. So after that, add aida. So while A was happening, B was also happening the entire time. So that's the meaning of aida. Now I will read the sentence, so please repeat after me. 授業の間、携帯を使わないでください。電車に乗っている間、音楽を聴いていました。 お母さんが料理している間、子供はテレビを見ていました。Very good job. So lastly, I have this homework for you. Translate the sentences into Japanese and put your answers in the comments below. I will check and collect your homework. If you are interested in one-on-one private lessons, you can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. みんな今日もありがとう。I will see you again in the next lesson then. みんなまたね。バイバイ。